everyone and happy Friday. Meg and I are going to Pafua's wedding right now. I am wearing my wedding earrings today and my necklace that my mom bought me for my wedding. I thought I would bust them out. I haven't worn them in a long time. My phone is so sad. How did that even happen?
Child, no clue, honestly.
Sure, you may kiss your bride for the first time.
Hey everyone, let me reintroduce you one more time to Jer and Pafua Lee!
So we just got done with the wedding. It was beautiful. We are going to Maplewood Mall because Meg needs to get his phone fixed.
Wow.
High score! I don't know what you got.
Yeah, 46.
Oh, 21! Good morning everyone and happy Saturday. Don't mind my face, I haven't even washed it yet. I just wanted to quickly hop on here and tell you guys that I am rounding up my clothes, gonna go to my mom's house to do laundry because unfortunately Meg and I don't have a washer and dryer in our place, which really sucks because it makes it hard to keep up with laundry. So I legit have like 3 buckets of laundry to do today, which is insane, but I just need to get it done and tackle that. So I'm kind of going around the house and rounding up everything that I need to wash. So that's what I'm doing right now. Initially, I wanted to clean my house today, but that's not gonna happen. There's just clothes everywhere, like you guys have no idea. Yay, my breakfast is done and it looks amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna dig into this. What just happened? The egg just blew up in my face. Oh my god. You guys, I did not expect that to happen. What the heck? This is the aftermath of my egg exploding. Wonderful. I'm gonna make myself another egg. Not happening again, ever. Oh my gosh. What is life? What is life? It's just not my day. This time, the egg is not gonna explode in my face. Man, why is it so funny? Have you ever had an egg explode in your face, Ming? That's like probably one of the craziest things that's ever happened to me. I don't know, now I'm never gonna eat boiled eggs again. So right now I'm gonna go to Sam's Club and buy some laundry detergent because my mom ran out and I'm always using her detergent, so I figured why not go buy some for the fam and for myself because I'll be using a lot today. Okay, I'm finally at my mom and dad's house after like 2 hours. I'm gonna do the first load of laundry and then watch some K-dramas. Good afternoon, everyone. Ming and I were pretty lazy this morning and woke up really late. So we're gonna go and grab some brunch. Ming really wants pho, so I guess we're gonna go to a pho restaurant. We haven't decided where exactly yet. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Today is pretty low key for me. I am gonna go eat with Ming. We're gonna come back home He's gonna go to the shop and I am dedicating this whole entire day to cleaning my house because, as you will see in a few clips here, it's a hot mess, and that's definitely something I want to talk about, is just trying to manage that, and I'm not the best at it right now. I'm trying to figure out how I can like manage the cleanliness of my house with the busyness of my schedule. And I think it's okay to not have everything in its place. I mean, I'm the type of person where I like to have everything in its spot, like everything needs to have a home, but I'm also that type of person where if I'm busy, I'm just gonna let it be. It's either like 0 or 100. Like, you know how they say either you're like full glam or no makeup? That's pretty much me. And I just need to find that happy medium. So yeah, I'll show you guys a little bit more today. Ready to go grab some foodies?
Yes.
Where are we going?
Let's go. I don't know.
Okay, there's Tapestry, there's Far East, there's Eastside Thai.
Just drive on University.
Just drive on University?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're going to Tapestry. Okay, I guess you'll see where we guys end up. Do you want to go to Far East?
Yeah, let's go Far East.
Oh my god. So I just got done cleaning, yay! I have one room left, which I will tackle tomorrow. We have to head out to a family get together right now, so I couldn't finish it, but that's okay because I got the kitchen done, the living room, and the bedroom, and it's all nice and clean. Oh yeah, I didn't even show you guys, but I also cleaned the bathroom and this outdoor section too. So lots of accomplishments. Ming and I are headed out to a family get together right now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
And we're gonna plan a annual family trip this coming summer, so that's gonna be really fun. And yeah, we have to go pick up some food. Should I bring the wine?
Yep.
I have wine that's been sitting outside for quite some time, so it might be nice to bring it over tonight. And then wow, we're gonna head out, so I'll be recording some of that tonight, so hope you guys enjoy.
He was swimming and he was like, I have to swim.
Wow, look at this food. I'm just gonna pour this. Dang.
Okay, who's the oldest here? Oh my god, your tongue is blue. One at a time.
Let me see your tongue.
Yours is too.
4 a.m. drill.
We just went to sleep.
I can't let Matt embarrass me. What up, Brad?
So today is Tuesday and we are at my mom's house. I just cooked some spaghetti. Yum for the family. Good morning, everyone. It is 4 in the morning, 4:14 to be exact. And today is Amelia and Tony's wedding day. So I am about to go to my mom's house because we're starting Amelia's bridal makeup at 5 o'clock. And then it's gonna be an awesome day from there. So let's go on and get started with our day. All right, Sarika is doing Amelia's face makeup. You look gorgeous. How do you feel?
Good. I'm pretty calm.
You're getting married today. Look at yourself.
Oh, wow.
Guess what? It's cloudy outside and it's not raining.